Why you call me a loser?
Cause you're a loser.
You're playing this game underage. I could call the cops on you.
Call them.
Okay.
Call them.
911, what is your emergency?
I got a kid here that's playing Among Us VR under the age of 13 years old right now.
Are they still misbehaving?
They're in the game bullying me right now.
If they're still being naughty when the police arrive, they'll arrest them and take them to the children's prison.
They're on the way to your house.
I will call the cops on you.
No, you won't.
Watch me.
I'm watching.
Hi, this is 911 emergency. How can I help you today?
There's a bully in the game. What?
Okay, ma'am. Well, this is a situation where we need to transfer you to the kids' police station. Can you hold on for just a moment?
Why me?
Ma'am, this is the kids.
Help!
What is the problem?
I hang up. Bye.
Wait, was that the real police?
Yeah, call the police on you.
Oh my god, ma'am. Alright, little girl.
I'm a bully.
Okay, ma'am.
They're coming to your house. No!